What? Am I live yet? I do believe I am. And I am live once again on the tube of you, doing some more web design, and we are going to continue our wireframing of each page. Now, where we last left off, I finished wireframing the index page for this website. Now I'm going to I think I'm done here. Unless there's like something else that I want to add to the site. It's pretty much done here. Let's see, we got the bio. It's at the bottom. This in the top, and this in the middle section. The thing here is it's got this go to top button. We don't need it. We don't need this go to top button here because the only reason that was the go to top button was there was due to the fact that the nav bar was not in a fixed position, so it wouldn't call it necessary to have it. So if that be all, I've got the buttons for each page, right? For the okay, this section may need to be a little bit bigger. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to make this section bigger. Did I select it all? I think I did. Actually, I'm not gonna select it just yet. Let me just stretch this down. Just stretch it out a little bit. All right. I think that's good. Okay. Now I'll take this thing here. Gonna go ahead. Alt drag. Gonna put it about here. Make it about yay big. Okay. We're going to go ahead and label it. Going to call it view testimonials. Center it. Okay. This button is probably going to need more padding. Ooh. Give that text some body, you know? Some padding. Can't leave it too cramped, you know? All right. So got that. So yeah, okay, that's stretched out. Now all I need to do now is Okay. Now we need to select this. Just copy it. Okay, let's select all of this again. All right, got it up against that now. Back down 10, 20, 30, 40 pixels. There we go. It is 033.
So I think probably we should do get connected and learn JavaScript in here.
033. I need to 034 now. I need to check on the bread that I'm baking downstairs in about 11 minutes. So just heads up on that. Okay, so let's do a quick once over of this page before I move on. Also, I need to fucking freaking take an Instagram picture. Okay. Got this banner, the 5 buttons. It's in accordance with. We got here the name text, bodies. Get the Instagram link. I'm probably not gonna put LinkedIn on here because based on her customer base, no one's gonna give a damn. So probably just gonna omit it. Because it's all about clients today. So so this is a little short description of
Why isn't it rendering?
I guess say like her work. Talk about what she do, whatnot. 3 images, and you can go to portfolio here. Testimonials. Each that we have 4 pictures of people that have given testimonials, so we'll use those. And then you could go to the testimonials. Then this is the bio about their stylist herself with an image, and you can go to her Instagram. No LinkedIn because no one will give a damn about that. So live on tube.com/ThePreyBrigade. anybody would like.
This makes no sense. So why the heck is this straddling these? It doesn't make any sense. Oh, it's including this twice for some reason, which is weird. So if I take a look at Partial's Trello, which I think I could just click into, yeah, bam. So we can see that it just adds this, the Trello did, which is right here. It only runs it once. I have no idea why it's running it twice here.
Okay, so that's pretty much it. So going to go ahead and move on. So before I move on, I'm exactly going to save it, make sure it's saved. Save. Okay, now I can move on. What's up next? Got booking page, which is pretty much just going to be where you embed could embed or not. No, you will embed that. Embed like a thing to like make appointments. So that's pretty much all that's going to go there. So really don't have to do anything here except that. So I'm just going to go ahead and move on to testimonials page, which is going to be 2 columns. It's going to be 2 column page, just as it is here. I think 2 columns is fine. I think it's good. For mobile, it probably like 1 column because limited screen sizes, of course. Then there'll be a button to submit testimonial. That's it. So yeah, going to go ahead and save this this wireframe under a different name and just use it as a base.
Stuff. Yeah, I mean, rendering stuff in partials is kind of funky.
Okay. All right, this is completely new file. Oh gosh. Okay, so we can get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to keep everything else. I'm going to move this up. Okay. 2, 3, 4. pixels. All right. Now this testimonials page is not gonna have image the images, because we don't have images of everybody that submits testimonials. So gotta get rid of these as soon as I can select them. All right, so delete each of these images. Wait, didn't delete. Come on now. Work with me. He's being very sluggish, as usual. We need a better computer than this to do what I'm doing right now. Not the web development part, just the live streaming part. I really do enjoy live streaming. It's just limitations of equipment that kept me from doing it for so long, but I'm not letting them get me down now. No, stretch to the other side. Some computer is really bad at processing so many things at once. So using Google Hangouts, screen capture is string this while simultaneously running Photoshop and yeah, it didn't end Google Chrome at the time. They all take like so much memory. Let me check chat real quick. Angular. And it's a little upsetting to hear about Angular getting an up getting like overhauled in the new version. Like just changing. All right, now I will be back. I have to go check on my bread, so I'll be right back in just a second, guys. While I'm checking on the bread, why don't y'all head over to, oh my goodness, what are you doing? Peace. Oh my God. One of my keys is like stuck or something. Stupid key. Check out my website, check out peacedigital.github.io. It's in the description. I'll be right back in a second. I am back. And I like this. I had to change some code on my website because this was like not working out for like mobile devices. But for some reason, I don't know if it's just an iPhone thing or if it's a Safari browser thing, but um, uh, just wasn't working. Wasn't working right. It was view height, not view width. View width was fine, but view height was not working. That's the funny part. Um, it's weird. So this description thing that's supposed to slide open, is supposed to slide open and be set to the height of the viewport, but I wasn't getting it, so therefore it was stretching beyond the viewport for iPhone. So I had to fix that issue. I think it's fixed now. It was a simple fix, and it was kind of a silly bug. Essentially, it was I just had to set it to percentage rather than view height, which would um, which with it being a fixed um position, it's not it would act the same way. Um, view width and view height gets the percentage of the view width and the view height respectively. Um, but it just view height was just not working for iPhone. I don't know why. It was working fine on my sister's phone. So I don't know. That's like a browser compatibility issue that I had to troubleshoot. Okay, I actually still have some issues to fix out on my site for freaking Mozilla browser. Like this for that is not working for some reason, and like it's just like this is like on click action, like it's JavaScript. I have no idea why like it's not working. Like what the heck? Um, I don't get it. But I just I need to look into um that bug and fix it. Get it back up and running for all those Mozilla users. I just wish everybody would use Google Chrome or something. It's just this is better. Like those are dev tools. It's just so much better. Everybody should use it just for dev tools, even though they probably don't use dev tools. They're just some writer or something. I don't know. Anyways, back to this web design here. What we came for. What we're all here for. What we're all viewing for. If you're actually viewing. Unresponsive. God damn it. Okay. Bad news is my computer is terrible at doing things. The good news is the bread that I cooked downstairs smells sexy. So that's good news. I can actually close out Sublime Text. Um, not say that's a resource hog, but I could use all the resource that I can get right now.
This is, I like it because it shows the actual types of things that we're going to be doing for alcohol. So I think it's pretty useful. Um, motion marked by all these auto-generated guys. But there are clearly like some women in this picture, which is important because 15, almost 20% of our users actually.
All right. So he's waiting for Photoshop to stop having a heart attack. I mean, my computer to stop having a heart attack.
You can see it at 16.7%. It used to be like 15%. So it is slowly growing. And as expected, 25 to 34 is the principal demographic. That's really who we're shooting for, right? These two demographics. This is a nice to have because people have necessarily seen college, and if you have to go to college, I would say it, but since this 2015, if this was 2025, I would say don't go to college. But 2015, you probably need to go to college. Like it really does help. I mean, it hurts you now, even in software. So get an online degree, do whatever you need to do to get a piece of paper from the program. That's my very candid advice. And almost 20% of our users are 35 to 44. So this is our street bar right here. And then I'd love to see this increase as well in volume, but I don't think it's going to increase significantly. I'm hopeful, but realistically, how much super girls that we have, it's almost 7% of our users that are over 45. To me, that's the anyway. So, if I can find a better image, I will, but I think we need to get placeholders now. So we're just going to look at the announcements, consoles,
Okay. Ah, press too many buttons. Okay. And Control J, which is not actually gonna work for me in this case. It just won't do the operation.
now we're ready to move it over here, and then I'm going to see how it looks for you. So of course it looks fine. That one gives a more coverage. This terminates right about where this is. Whoa! Announcements, news. News needs to actually be up here on top of the command buttons. Maybe actually it should be on top of our dual cam counselor. Or maybe we should merge announcements.
Yeah, we'll put like 4 here. It's for a visual, even though they're a lot more than 4 testimonials. Yeah. Yeah, see. Oh, it's 8 more than 8 testimonials. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 testimonials. But yeah, we get the picture. Okay, where's that? That invisible layer.
Those three keystrokes means it's going to be on top of this. Of course, the panel is also figured out why is that. Oh, I no longer have a problem panel info on top of it. That's why. I'll wrap that. Bam. Indent it and news and announcements are now their own little columns here.
Okay, so footer is all the way down here, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up. 2, 3, 4. Testimonials. Page. Actually. Okay. What?
Did you know that if we have
Okay, so I actually need. Oh my god, what's wrong with my shift key? What the hell? Okay, I need to zoom out or anything, but I have to. Okay, cancel this transform. Gonna select everything here. Push it down. I needed to, dang it, I need to copy. Did it not copy?
This button is too small, and you probably noticed. But unfortunately, that's generated by Twitter. We don't have control over that. And, oh, gosh, Twitter, we have to use your stupid iPhone button. So, this is just the whole way. It's crazy. Stuff like that. Oh, I don't get the people doing that. What we need is probably go ahead and
One, 2, 3, 4 P pixels down. Yeah. And that is looking fine. Okay. Around here, I will have, let's see.
and RubyMine, which is the editor I'm using, it's actually the same as WebStorm. This, what you guys should code you guys. say them, you'll hear a bunch of say Emacs, Sublime, you know, Notepad++, whatever. But this is what like the hardcore JavaScript developers I know code in, and it works really well. Anyway, I'll end that little unsolicited endorsement. We've got our announcements, we've got our news.
Well, hopefully WebStorm doesn't have some eat away my computer's soul as I try to type text. Okay, what needs to go up here is the title. So we're gonna go ahead and put a title in here. Like, title exactly. This text is actually going to be a lot bigger. But above the right now, this thing back here, I'm gonna copy it, shrink it down this side. Okay. Oh man. I don't want it to be inside of the box. Why is it inside the box this time? It's never done that. Like, all the other boxes were fine. You recognize it. Okay. I release a button too soon and it doesn't recognize keystrokes properly. Submit testimonials. Okay. Give some more padding to this.
My friend just sent me this. This is hot off the presses, guys. Information Age. 40,000 MongoDB databases left unsecured. Discovered by students. Just a testament to how students are just as good in many respects as the experts out there at discovering security vulnerabilities. So, students discover overwhelming number of MongoDB without access control.
Okay, I think we're done here.
Yeah, that is insane. The question is, how do we So my question is, I don't really give a damn about what's on my local machine. It's a question about compose access control.
Okay.
Compose.io.
Not much going on this page. can view testimonials, submit testimonial. Not a whole lot needs to go on this page, so I think we're done here. I'm gonna go ahead and move on because screw you. Gonna go ahead and move on to the next page, which will be portfolio. This is the one I'm a little more excited about because it's uncertain. It's really uncertain how I'm gonna do it. We'll see. I want to redo it. Okay. Save as. Save as portfolio. Okay, so
As always, we've got a tweet with a picture, otherwise people don't see it and people don't care. So what is the name of the mom that we didn't do today? Like shadowy heads in front of a nice, yeah, that's good. It's square. I like it. So there you guys.
okay. So now you can keep the boxes. What is okay? First of all, on portfolio, what I'm thinking is after they see these amazing, well done hairstyles, they'll probably be wanting to book an appointment with Miss Murky Hairs. So yeah, here. Gonna change that to book an appointment.
We can, what I like to do, Getter embeds these tweets really well. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this in.
All right. Now, gotta figure out how we're gonna place these images. What she wants them to be categorized. What's based on hairstyles? So
I'm going to jump on into this real quick.
I'm really trying to wanna gonna place. I think a 3x3 would be optimal. typical yet optimal. So
Alright, so that was fun.
did I not hit delete? Delete, please. Delete. Delete. Come on. Hey, come on. Hey.
Berkeley is a seasoned JavaScript developer, and it would be really awesome if we could get him up on here. So yeah, I hope you hope this is cool.
What the heck?
I don't know if he's in Seth or if he's anyway.
Okay.
So now that I've done that stuff, thank you for bearing with me. I just wanted to let's see how this works on some different viewport widths. So I mean, you can formally use continuation here. How would I do that? Why not? Let's see what this looks like on a. So I have to read it. So on what phone am I using now? iPad. It doesn't look terrible. I mean, a lot of this stuff wraps and stuff.
Okay, 3x3.
On iPad 3, 4. Let's see how it looks. I mean, really, the question is how does it look on iPhone 5? That's the most popular cell phone. Oh, what the hell is that? Why are they doing that? I don't like that. You know why it's doing that? It's doing that because this Twitter thing is probably looking out. Oh, you bastard. Check this out.
Sorry, I'm a little bit distracted by
So the issue is that we're doing we already specified that so well. We get rid of the rows and stuff. hell is going on? Okay, so this is where I need to be a little more patient and actually think about this. So we've got our text right, text left. So here's what I'm going to do. Instead of doing this stuff, which we all know is kind of, well, I'm worried if I include.
Okay, that looks fine. Let's test this portfolio page. Probably be the same thing for like the individual images. It's like this is like a category page here. Nothing special going on. Yeah, I think we're done with most of the pages. So
Call it 12, call it 12, call it 6. Oh, oh, okay.
what now? Contact page. Yeah, it'd be easy. Just style and contact page as I've done before. Pretty much just like a copy pastorino. This it formats properly on mobile. Um, so that's about it. I think I'm done with the wireframes now. Now it's pretty much just to getting the colors down, color design, and whatnot. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna close this out first of all. I'm gonna go into the man. I don't have time for this, man. I think I'm done for the night. Uh, After this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the file, the project files. I'm gonna make a folder called wireframes, and I'm gonna put those files in there. I'm gonna open up these Photoshop files. I'm gonna save them, save them as images. And then tomorrow, when I start working on design, and like making the mockups for each page, I can basically just put them in the background and use them for alignment and placement, positioning, etc. Okay, so just Control Shift S on here. It's PNG though. Don't lose any quality. I want to keep that. It's a wireframe. What the hell? Okay, as soon as the thing's done saving, man, your computer's really crappy. It takes forever to do some of the simplest task. Did it not? Okay, Now save this and Control-Shift S.
I think you guys would agree that this looks good enough for, the purpose of a mobile phone. I mean,
Control-Shift S. I did not just press that. All right. Get rid of the right there. Save that. Save. Good. Now this last one. Tab. PNG Shift tab. Take off the copy. Save. And done. I'm done for the night. I'm getting off. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And peace. I'm getting off. Actually, I'm probably going to go hop on Ubuntu to see if I can stream me playing some Tory Bash. Because why not, Why not?